Well, kung you listen to what we were saying in this conference and how we have adjusted and how we put in the rules and how the teams have already with the unlimited height of people in the next of imports in the next conference and the adjustment of two groups, it's sort of addressing the competitive. Pero ibalik ko sa iyo, sino ba ang top 4 teams ng UAAP? At saka sino ba ang bottom teams ng UAAP? Meron din bang parity doon? Di ba? So I'm just sending that back. In competition and in sports, I have 4 boxers in the Olympics. May parity ba doon? Pag pumunta ka doon, kalaban mo yung mga mayayaman na bansa who has more investment on training and technology. There is really no sports. It equalizes. It's not how rich you are or how poor you are. It equalizes. Kasi it's more than just your wanting to win and your ability to win. It's how you manage the team and how you want and your commitment to the team. So yun. Totoo yun. We addressed that. The board was very open to it. Thus the change in rules, just the change in. Ngayon yung 4-point play. Nung inintroduce ba yung 3-point play? Yung 3 points? Meron ba nagreklamo doon? Ang dami, di ba? Ang dami nagreklamo. So the question, do you be a follower na wala magreklamo or do you want to lead the change, di ba? So we were thinking only of the PBA. But I tell you, when we are successful, I think this has been a discussion over the past few years by many other leagues. Maraming sasali. So, today we are alone. Tomorrow we will be plenty. Diba? So, that's what I'm saying. You cannot fix parity because it's very subjective. Boxing, pare. It's a very subjective sport. Diba? So, I can complain all I want na mali yung judging. And there will be 10 other people saying mali yung judging o tama yung judging. But at the end, okay, it is the team that you bring and the team that goes out there to fight. So there is parity is a very big question. Diba? Sino nagja-judge ng parity? Who is judging a weak team and a strong team? Is UE a weak team? It's the best team they put together and it can win. UST 0 games not win. Is that a weak team? Maybe for that conference, the weak team. Baka this UAAP is going to be a strong team. So it's a very subjective point of view. No? So I don't know if I explained myself well. Is Token Tex a weak team or a strong team? Ang sabi ninyo strong because your memory of Token Tex, it has won championship. But today, is it a strong team today? No, it's going through a change, a rebuilding. Is San Miguel a strong team or a weak team? Today, narinig mo si Al Francis, sinasabi niya, it's also going through a transition. So it's very subjective. It's a very subjective concept. Okay. Now, you're saying parity because you question the trades. Diba? But who is questioning the trades? Experts? Non-experts? Owners of teams? Non-owners of teams? Diba? Yun, hindi na lang namin pan. You're questioning the trade. Who is in a better position to know whether that is my requirement of my team or not a requirement? Maybe I'm looking long term. Or maybe I'm looking short term. Or maybe I want to win now, like some other teams that get. So it's very objective, but we appreciate that. We allow the discussion. We allow the discussion. Mali yung trade mo, unfair yung trade mo, di ba? We allow that because it makes also us better. So yun ang tingin ko sa lahat na to eh. So that's where I am.